We're open.
What's up, baby? Oh, what the hell? There goes the tire.
Good morning, good afternoon, good night. We're open. Businessman over there, businessman. Today we bring to you something that I've wanted to do for a long time. And we're gonna lower a car. Everyone's bloody working hard here. Yeah. Don't put my face on.
I don't work here, don't look at me.
I didn't say you're working. I said you're working. He's working with his mouth, eating food. But we are going to put these donuts on a car. I'm gonna go get the car in. I know, suspense is killing everyone. But truth is, I can't be bothered going on the street, go get the car right now. I'm gonna make one of the other boys go get it. So a bit of a story with this car that we're bringing in. We basically bought it for some parts and it still worked, which was good. So I serviced a couple of things and it worked fine. And then it had rego, so we used it. And it's time to give it a bit of a resurrection. You might be thinking, Dave, what is good about this car? Well, a couple of great things about it is it has a lot of rust, which makes it pretty much authentic Japanese. And then it's a 6-seater with column shift. So we're going to do the mods to it. Basically, how to make your AU look cool in half a day is what we're going to do once we've finished some other jobs. It's actually quite difficult today, but we're going to do it for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy. But also the thing, as much as we're going to have a bit of fun doing this, making it a very pointless vehicle for terms of usage, apart from looking good, is we're going to try some coilovers in the back of it to see if we can use the coilover setup that I've been wanting to do for a long time. So we're going to use this as that. So that will tell us if we can, for those people that have wagons and AUs, so AU wagons and BAs and blah blah blah, utes and wagons. So this setup will basically allow that to give us some coilover options for the back. So we're just going to send it and see how it goes, and you guys can watch and enjoy it. So she's over there.
Yeah.
She's ready to come under the surgery. What?
Hey, look.
They're going to help us. Nah, they're not. He's not. He's not helping us. Check out the donuts. Right into it. Oh, my back. My back.
My neck and my back.
Very high OH&F. Very safe. Don't damage the tyre. Don't damage my genuine Aussie admins. Oos. Oh. No problem. I got it. It's on. Pretending to work there.
Pretending to work. Is that what you said?
You've been doing that hose clamp up for 10 minutes.
You think it's been 10 minutes?
Oh, 15 minutes.
OCD's kicking in. I don't like how the hose clamp was sitting.
Good, see that? 15 minutes to do a hose clamp because we didn't like the way it was sitting.
Not through race cars.
problem.
Lined up for it. Do you want me to unbolt the whole lot of it?
Undo it all. Look at this.
What a rig.
Way too much gift. Oof. I've got some springs for you. Pre-cut springs.
Choppy Kings.
Just for this. This car's only getting the quality of quality builds. There. It's not structural, no problem. Oh, I want to get the dent fixed. That's not very nice. Alright, so the obviously the front is done because we've seen it drop, and now we've got one leaf out. Very rusty, very in there, been in there for a long time. So plans to essentially get rid of 4 of those leaves, flip it around, use the coilover to actually hold the weight of the car. So see how this goes. Hopefully we won't be here till midnight. Damn. How's that going for you, Trav?
I can see it being midnight.
He can see it being midnight. That sounds positive as. Let's keep. Careful, I don't scrape the mud flaps. So yes.
What a rig.
She's on 14s. Ignore this, it's about to get pumped.
What a rig.
I don't know why, but why do pieces of crap like this just bring me so much joy?
Even the mud flaps scraping good.
That is my new favourite car. This thing? Nah. This. Yes. Oh. Can I bring it down how low it is? Because it's damn low. I'll move a couple more bits just to bring it that extra coolness. So I've got a couple more plans for it, but that is kind of how we're looking. Oh yes. And we'll make our way to the back. We're going to do some big weighing thing off there. And then out here we'll have some sort of exhaust pipes out to here, so that's a couple things coming, but that is it. So guys, there we have it. That is pretty much part one of the Bosozoku AU build. AU Zoku 1, whatever we call it, because we're going to do more of these, but still very different. But for those of you who are not wondering or don't sure what the heck Bosozoku is, check it out. Bosozoku, Bozozuku, I think it is, Japan. those cars. So that's kind of what we've done it off. So those of you like maybe never heard of it, that's what it is. So that is why we have like, you're probably thinking, damn, this is so pointless. That's the point. So cooler goes to nothing. Not meant to go to anything. Headlight that you can't project any light out of. Perfect. Pointlessly low on 14-inch wheels. Scrapes everything. Perfect. Number plate bent up. Hoodlum. That's what it's meant to be. So hope you guys enjoyed it. It's pretty much part one, but we're going to do some more stupid things to this car. I don't know why, but I just can't help myself with like a piece of crap. I just have so much more fun building a piece of crap for no reason. So hope you guys enjoyed it. We're going to have another part. Any suggestions, let us know, but we're trying to keep it like from a Japanese perspective. So yeah, any ideas, we'll filter it through the Japanese catalog. Cheers guys.